Hey guys, summer is in full swing and I'm really excited to show you this recipe. It's a quick protein marinade for the grill. Check out how easy this is, and it's such a great boost of flavor. It makes the chicken super juicy. Check this out. We're gonna mix our marinade and then we're gonna put our protein in and then we're gonna let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours. So first things are, this is a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I love using mayonnaise because it's super high fat, and if it's really good quality stuff like this, like high quality butter I love using, high quality mayonnaise, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Your body knows exactly what it is, and in my opinion, it can break it down. So this is really nice organic mayonnaise. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. I love chicken marinated in buffalo sauce. It's so yummy. It reminds me of hanging out in a sports bar. The other thing too is mayonnaise is really great because of the high fat. It really helps the chicken stay moist and tender. So the other thing we're gonna add is a little pinch of onion powder. The reason why I love adding onion powder as well as honey is because it gets like this caramelization on the protein you're cooking it with, and it's so yummy. So I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of honey, pinch of salt, some pepper. Sometimes I don't use pepper if my kids are gonna eat this because they're not huge fans of pepper. And then we're gonna mince up 1 garlic clove. We're gonna mix it all together. If you guys have a garlic press, that's fine too. My mom always taught me just to smack it with the knife blade and peel off the outside. That's always just the easiest way that I've been taught how to do it. We're gonna mince up our clove and then we're gonna mix this in. I love using fresh garlic. You guys know I love my garlic salt too. But for something like this, I really want that fresh garlic flavor. So I minced it up pretty fine for this. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, great. So now, just gonna add this to our marinade. We're gonna add the juice from about half a lemon. A little sprinkle of olive oil. And that's our marinade. It's so easy. Just gonna mix it up. And for this, I'm using chicken, just chicken breast that I pounded flat. I've showed you guys that many times in my videos. If you don't have time to do that, you can just buy chicken cutlets at the grocery store. This would also be really awesome on salmon or another, nice fat fish. This would be great for that. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so yummy. It's gonna get caramelized. It's gonna have that little kick from the buffalo sauce. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, so now, whenever I'm touching raw chicken, I like to put a glove on just to keep it sanitary. So I'm sorry for all my veggie friends out there. Disclaimer, raw chicken. Sorry, it's happening. But I'm gonna do it super quick so you can avert your eyes. So I'm putting the chicken in. Painless. So now you wanna mix it all up. Again, I just think it's super easy to use a glove. You can get it all over all the little parts here, everywhere you want it. Okay, great. And now I'm gonna cover it up. And this is gonna go right into my fridge for 1 to 2 hours, ready for the grill. So this is what I pulled out of the fridge, my chicken that has been marinating for 2 hours. I got my grill heating up on medium. We're gonna brush it with a little bit of canola oil. For something like this, I like using canola oil because it has the higher smoking point and it won't add an olive oil flavor to what I'm cooking. So you wanna move quickly because if any drips down, it will catch and you'll see a little bit of fire, but don't get scared. You just wanna move quickly. So now let's get the chicken on. Yay! You want it in a single row. Whoa, that is gonna be so good. So we're gonna cook this on medium for about 3 minutes. Maybe medium low. Again, you gotta know the stuff you're working with. My grill gets pretty hot, so I'm gonna go to medium low just so it doesn't burn it. But we wanna get that nice caramelization. Yay. This is when summer's awesome, when you're grilling outside, even though it's very hot in New York, but it'd be better with a margarita. Frosted margaritas. You guys, I have a killer frosted margarita recipe. We're gonna have to do that next time. Okay, so because I pound my chicken thinner, so it all cooks at the same time, it also cooks pretty quickly on the grill. So it's been just about 3 minutes. Now we're gonna flip. Look at this, you guys. Whoa, do you see that gorgeous, juicy caramelization? It's the little things. Woo-hoo. So good. Oh my gosh, look at this caramelization. Wow, that looks muy delicioso. Okay, so this is gonna be cooked less than 3 minutes. 2 minutes, this is done. Oh, look at how gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let's close it. Okay, great. It's been 2 minutes. Let's take a look. You don't want to peek before your timer goes off. I know it's tempting. Whoa. Okay, so this is cooked. I'm taking them off, and then I'm gonna cut them in half and show you. I'm gonna let that stay hot so I can scrape the grill. But do you see how gorgeous, the caramelization, the juice that's coming off of the chicken, how beautiful that is? So here's what I wanna do. I wanna show you how perfectly cooked this is. Ready? Look at that, it's cooked perfectly. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful grilled chicken with that gorgeous marinade. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so yummy. Okay, great. So you guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new video. Happy summer. See you guys soon.